Hello. Today we learn about functions and functional programming. Python support both object-oriented and functional programming styles. In functional programming, functions are treated as first-class objects, meaning they can be stored in variables, passed as arguments, or returned from other functions. Functional programming encourages immutability, composition, and writing more declarative code. A powerful example of this is Python is the decorator, which allows us to extend or modify functions behavior cleanly. Let's see an example to understand this. Here we have defined a function called greetName, and we ask them to return a value as hello and the name. Say hi is equal to greet. That's what we are assigning a variable to this particular. And we when we say print say hi Python, it is going to give us a print, right? Hello Python, because this particular one is going and running out here. So let's move on to our next slide. That's function decorators. A decorator is simply a callable that takes another function and returns a new function, often with extended or modified behavior. Decorators are applied using add decorator name syntax above a function definition. They are commonly used for logging, authentication, caching, timing, and more. Decorators help keep the core function clean and focused while adding extra functionality externally. What can be a decorator? In Python, any callable can be a decorator. A function, most common that we are using, a class with a call method that we have already seen, an object instance that implements the call. This flexibility allows decorators to hold state when needed, not just wrap the behavior. Applying the multiple decorators. You can stack multiple decorators on a single function. They are applied from bottom to top. The one closest to the function runs first. This is equivalent to nested functions called like preserving function metadata. One common problem with decorators is that they hide the original function's metadata, like its name, docstrings, and signature, because they return a new function object. To fix this, Python provides function tools.traps, which copies the original function's metadata to the breadboard. This is essentially for debugging introspection tools like help. Parameterized decorators. Decorators can also take arguments. These are called parameterized decorators. They are made by adding an outer function that receives the parameters and returns the actual decorator. This is useful for creating configurable decorators like logging with levels, retry counts, and repeating behavior. To wrap it out, functions are first class citizens, the basis for functional programming. Decorators wrap functions to extend behavior without modifying the original code. Any callable function, classes, objects can act as a decorator. Multiple decorators stack cleanly bottom to top. Always use functool.wraps to preserve metadata. Parameterized decorators enable flexible, reusable patterns. Thanks for watching the video.